confirm what it needs to confirm. So given that we do not have a license, we're at the point where I'm being asked if I want to put a license or I want to work with the community edition. We all know we're broke, so community edition. So this part you need to be very wary of if you are in production. This is where you configure your file system and partitioning scheme. For the purpose of labbing and just showing how to deploy this on VMware, I will not bother you with that. But if you need me to do a different video on how to set up a file system on PFsense and partitioning the disk properly to probably increase the swap or have a dedicated partition for the home on the drive, write it in the comment section exactly what you want. But if we are all fine at where we are, then we go on with what we have already. Of course, we all know what, sorry, not every one of us know what striping is, but you can look up RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 3, RAID 4, RAID 5. That would explain to you what we are seeing here. We do not need to do striping on this. We have just one disk, we'll be going with that. Yes. Now let's wait. Okay, we want to go with the latest stable version. Every time go with the stable version. Even if we had a version higher than 2.7.2, if it's not a stable version, do not go with it. Not just in PFsense, anywhere you find yourself, unless you are doing what we call user experience review on a developmental release or early release. Okay, so while the installation is on the way, feel free to send me something in the chat and engage me in a conversation. Look forward to talking about that. So just in case you're joining my live stream, this is what we have been doing here. We looked at first of all how to get the image of the PFsense Firewall that we are currently deploying, how to download the image. After we successfully downloaded the image, we looked at technical requirements and physical requirements. We also looked at how to get your VMware workstation ready for this installation. So we followed the wizard, installation wizard for PFsense, and we are at the point where the configuration is being automated at the back end for this to be done. So we'll patiently wait for that. I believe this also answers your question, Mami, when you said WDY. You know, it's strange how WDY means what are you doing? Once again, if you're watching this video from my YouTube channel, the reason why you see a lot of interaction, like I have someone in the comments or a live chat, is because this video was recorded while streaming on TikTok. So if you are from YouTube, check out my TikTok handle. It's on my YouTube About channel. But if you don't want to go there, the TikTok channel is Game 8 Tech. But you can easily search for it with Game and Tech with the and symbol looking like an 8. Game 8 Tech. GAME 8, then TECH Tech. If you're watching from TikTok, you can go watch this video later on my YouTube channel, Nigerian Tech Bro. Nigerian as a citizen of the country Nigeria, and then Tech Bro. Yeah. This might take some time, so I'll come back when the installation is done.